Hello and welcome back. It's your boy Hayze, and today we are live painting at a wonderful place in Woodwood called Dasher and Crane. Look at that. And we are going to be putting together something really cool for you. So just wait and check it out. So check out the design elements. You ever seen a place this nice for ice cream? Really? Hey, it's a vibe, a whole party and everything. Hey, look at that wall, man. I'm gonna be like that when I grow up. You can do it.
Mail time.
The mail's here. Come on. Here's the mail. It never fails. It makes me want to wag my tail. When it comes, I want to wail.
That's right. You know what time it is. Let's get to the mail. So the first question is, how do you price your artwork or murals? Well, the easy answer is don't overthink the process. For murals, what I like to do is charge by the square foot. What does that mean? Pretty simple. You take the height and the width of the wall or surface that you're going to be painting on, and you multiply that times each other in feet, of course. If that is 10 by 10, that means you have 100 square feet. Then you choose a multiplier based upon the rendering or the detail that you're going to be painting. And if it's high detail, then it'll be something like $30. If it's medium detail, $20. Or if it's low detail, $10 per square foot. Now, from there, what you'll do is you will simply say, if it's $30 times 100 square feet, do the math, and there you have it. So it's a pretty simple process, especially if you don't overthink it or get too attached to the work. The next question, what tools do I need to make a mural? Now, I'm going to give you my 10 favorite things that I bring onto any mural site. 1, brushes and rollers. 2, tape. 3, spray paint, of course. 4, knife.
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
5, ladder. 6, latex paint. 7, drop cloth. 8, flathead screwdriver or paint key. 9, a hammer. And 10, of course, trash bags. Question number 3. Where do you get inspiration? Inspiration, I find, is a really tricky and fickle muse, and for that reason, I really don't like to depend on it. The best thing that I say I do is really just pick up a lot of things from experience. You know, what I saw earlier that day, what I didn't see, how I felt, and just try to draw or paint that. Because if you wait for inspiration, well, you may never find it.
Message!
Question number 4. How do you know when you're finished? Now that's a good one. But this one also I don't like to overthink. Pretty simple. When you look at your painting and decide that another 2 hours, 1 hour, 90 minutes, give or take, is not going to make a lot of difference to what you've done to it already, that's when you know you're finished. Last question. How do I improve my paintings? Well, that's simple. Paint more. Okay, no, for real. Honestly, you really gotta paint more, because the more you paint, the more you see different things, and the more things you see, the more things you can add to the painting. So, paint more.
It's hot in here. Like, really hot. You wanna see? Oh, I thought it would turn red.
Simple, right? Well, there's no real magic to getting better as an artist, but just getting out there and doing it. And I know everybody wants the easy way to do things, but the more you do it, the more you'll get better, and that's the real journey, right? All right, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I think the message from today's painting was pretty simple. I think because I wrote it on the side of it. Life's too short, so eat ice cream. Yeah, that's it.